This is a review of the WD-40 multi-use product. It comes with the two-way sprays. It comes with a straw as well that we are going to be doing a test on. And we are going to, start out with something that is extremely squeaky around the home. So for example, my door of my home is extremely squeaky, but we are going to put this on a test and we are going to then show you guys the before and then the after when I use this product onto my hinges of my door. Okay, so here's my door that makes a lot of squeaking sounds, and you can see how old these hinges are, and it makes a lot of squeaking noises. So there's a total of 3 of them, this one right over here, and then this one right over here, that makes a lot of sounds. So for example, if I were to close the door, and you're going to see how much it squeaks. So usually it makes like that. You can hear a lot of squeaking sounds, but now what we're gonna do now is that we are going to apply the WD-40 and then show you guys the before, which is right now, but now is going to be the after that. You're going to see how all the squeaking sounds is going to stop. Okay, so just like that, you just spray it on these sides right over here. And then after that, all you have to do from here is just wait, and you're going to see the finished results after that. Okay, so here's the finished results from me using WD-40, and you can see now it just doesn't make any squeaking sounds. So for example, if I were to close my door, and just like that, it's all quiet and you don't hear anything at all. I would definitely recommend this WD-40, and not just that, but there's another important thing I do want to mention as well too. So for example, let's say if I were to do any automotive repair or automotive work, you can use this WD-40 for that as well too. So for example, on the other day, I had some issues with my a bolt that wasn't coming out. This right over here would definitely do the job as well too. So you let it sit for about 30 to 45 seconds to remove that bolt. If there's any bolts on a car that is stuck, or you're trying to make something quiet as well too, just like the hinges of my door, the WD-40 multi-use product would definitely come in hand. And you can see that it stops squeaks, it removes and protects and loosens the rusted parts as well too, and then it's free sticky mechanisms and dries out moisture as well too. So it does all that stuff. And like I told you guys before, I used it on my car as well, for some car work or some automotive work and repairs, and I use this for my hinges of my door. But yeah, I would definitely recommend the WD-40 multi-use product, and it comes in a total of a 6-pack as well too. If you're looking for a way to stop squeaking, you're trying to do some automotive repairs to take a bolt out that is stuck, the WD-40 multi-use product would definitely come in handy, and I would definitely recommend this product.